Welcome to GeekForce. GeekForce was founded in 1999 and has since been one of the top 10 IT service providers in Arizona and selected as Best in Phoenix. We handle data recovery, computer repair, networking, builds for desktops, servers, and laptops, and on-site residential and commercial service. We service all areas near Phoenix, including Scottsdale, Peoria, Mesa, Maricopa, Casa Grande, and beyond. Contact GeekForce today for information on how we can repair your home computer or install your business network. Our team focuses on quality service at a great rate, so call today.